Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is AQILAH binti AZLIE, and today I am going to show you on how to use the Mendeley software. We need to download the software first before we use the Mendeley. So open your Google Chrome and search for download Mendeley. Click this and then download the Mendeley software. But please make sure to download the correct operation system based on your computer. Okay, after you had done all the setup is very easy, I promise you. So we click the Mendeley. Okay, so this is the Mendeley software for our desktop. Okay, it's a little bit messy here because I have been using this Mendeley for about 2 years already. So it's a little bit messy here. Okay, ignore that. Okay, before we start using this software, I will introduce you with some important buttons. As far as I remember, these buttons are the most used buttons in the Mendeley. Okay, first we start with the paper icon. This paper icon is to add any files that you want from your own device. Second is the sync button. It is to refresh all the materials in the Mendeley. And lastly, the view button to view the citation style that you want. Okay, now we will proceed to choose the citation format. Click the view button and then choose citation style. You can choose the format citation that you use for your work. For myself, I use this APA citation style. And there you go. Every references are now in the APA style. Okay, to add files from your device into the Mendeley, you just have to click the paper icon and click Add Files. Choose the file that you had downloaded from the internet, as for example, this article, and it will be automatically downloaded in the software. And remember to always hit the sync icon to refresh the materials in the Mendeley. There is another option to download your files into the Mendeley, and that is on using the Mendeley extension. To use the Mendeley extension, you must download the Mendeley web importer in Google Chrome first. Click here and then click Get Web Importer for Chrome. It will come out like this. Then click Add to Chrome and add extension. As you can see, I already downloaded it, so the Mendeley extension will be appear here. Okay, now you are ready to use this Mendeley extension. To use this function, first you need to open the article or the material that you want to add in the Mendeley. And once you found it, click the Mendeley extension and then add to Mendeley. Okay, if it will automatically add in the Mendeley. Another reminder, make sure to check all the details and you can edit it before you add to Mendeley. It is very necessary to get the correct details for your references. So we need to check the details for our materials. Simply click on the articles or the materials and it will pop out the details on the right side. Then click the search button. And if there is green tick show up, then click the details are correct. And that's how you know that your details are correct. Okay, we shall now proceed to insert references from Mendeley to be used in your work. Okay, right click the article that you want and search for copy as and formatted citation. Click the words and just paste it. And there you go. There is another tips and trick to do your citation in your essay. First of all, you need to add Mendeley in Microsoft Word. So click the tools and click install MS Word plugin. Okay, as you can see, I already installed MS Word plugin in my Words. Okay, to do the citation in the Words, you need to open your Word and click References and click Insert Citation button. And search for the title of the article, stress, and click on it. Okay, and then press and click the button OK. As you can see, it will show you the name of the author and the year of the articles were published. And that is all for today. I really hope that this tutorial will help you in your references and your citation in doing all your assignments. Till we'll meet again, and Assalamualaikum.